So Zoleka and Lazarus realized ukuthi when he said he was going to the bathroom, actually lied. He went to take Bavumile. He stole Bavumile and ran away with him. They look for him who is not where to be found. They drive to Cosmo. Find that at Cosmo, no one knows where Hlati is. Tumeka is even shocked. Why you guys ngena la? What's happening? What's with the noise? Zoleka explains that uHlati took Bavumile, utshontsha umntwana uhambe naye. Tumeka is defeated with, oh, Thixo, wenzeni uHlati? Lazarus starts fighting Thulani, saying, you know where Hlati is. Tell me where Hlati is. And Thulani doesn't know where Hlati is. This time around, he doesn't know. Hlati did not call him. They go outside. Lazarus busy fighting Uhlati. They had to stop them from fighting, and then they try calling Uhlati. Uhlati does not pick up. Thulani ends up phoning Ntsiki, trying to find out maybe Ntsiki has not heard from Uhlati. Tumeka is defeated. Wenzeni Uhlati? Uhlati wenzeni goku? So then Lazarus realizes this is fruitless, and they decide to leave and go look for their baby Bavu. And then Thulani tells Ntsiki to let him know if she has something. Lazarus and Zoleka, they leave going to look for umntanabo. Tumeka keeps on trying to call Hlati, leaving voicemails on his phone with no luck. And then Ntsiki comes over to the house. What's happening? What are you guys saying? Even Ntsiki this time around is like, as in, I know I've been rooting for Hlati to be with his child, but the way he did it is wrong. I see indlela ukuthatha umntwana le. What does he realize imesa akuyo, like the kind of trouble he's in for what he did? Uthula uyamele sethi indoda desperate yenza noma abe yini yenza ukubhanqa. Ntsiki was like this is not working. Lento ayenzile nje ukubhanqa nje. Tumeka athi niyabona kade ndimcelela, I've been telling Hlati to let this madness go. Jonga ke ngoku, look what he has done now. Yanga overhears the conversation, and now she's worried ukuthi utata bazombopha. Her dad is going to go to prison. Tumeka comforts her, saying, no, tata into ayenzile, yes, it's wrong, but the concern now umntana. We need to find baby Bavumile. Uyanga is like, but utata will never hurt the baby, isn't it? Ngeke azamlimaza umntana utata. And then ubhutikala Zoleka is there. Ulukhanyo worried ukuthi if Magaba hears this, she's gonna have a heart attack. Lazarus comes and says, I think amaphoyisa acekekile ngezinto zabo, and now they're worried. Qawe also arrives saying, Mama, she has heard what is happening, I think from Ligamva, and then they decide to track Hlati's phone. They all go into their laptops trying to track where Hlati is. Ngapha Hlati is busy driving around. Bavumile is busy crying. Umntana kaloku is probably hungry or probably needs a nappy change. Hlati did not think about all these things. Just took a baby without a nappy bag, without any food or any bottle. Umntana ulambile ke ngoku. Bizwe emthulisa, thula jambas. Jambas uthula kanjani alambile or edinga a nappy change. Hlati did not think this whole thing through. Uvele nje he just allowed his anger to take over. He did not think this whole thing through, because now umntana yakhala. The next thing he hears, police sirens. Now he's wondering ukuthi mhlambe bafuna yena. He hides behind his car, on the side of his car, and they didn't see him. They passed, wavela wafaka umntana emoteni, and drove off. And then Ntsiki goes home to find that. So when she gets home, gets a call from Thulani to tell him, no, I'm home now. Then they agree, if you hear something, please let me know. Now if I hear something, I'll let you know. And then Ntsiki hears a baby crying in the house. Ntsiki is now shocked. What's happening? Because she lives alone, Kaluk. And then she goes to the sitting room to find Uhlati Mthetho Mabandla sitting with baby Bavumile on the couch. Baby Bavumile crying. Usana libizwe yakhala. Uhlati ugona umntana sitting on the couch, just sitting there nomntana, like uhanjelwe ingqondo. Ntsiki azathi Mthetho, like she's defeated with, what have you done? I hope Uhlati abanjwe and go to prison and serve a very long sentence for what he did now. And then Sydney no Lillian, they're busy on a mission of trying to sabotage Zoleka no Lazarus. Sydney comes up with an idea, because he cannot hack into Khusela because the system is like super secured. He decides to get amanamba ka-Daphne from mafile kankosikazi wakhe uHlengiwe and searches the number and sends a link to Daphne, so that if Daphne opens that link, then they have access to the Wi-Fi and get access to all the devices in the house. Hlengiwe will find them busy saw her briefcase. Wacomplaina ukuthi wenzani Mthiyane ngebriefcase yami, amafayile wami emsebenzi abaleke kangaka. Le nto yenza, do you know how selfish Sydney is? He only thinks for himself. He's not even thinking ukuthi already his wife's job is on the line. Now he's adding more to that. Well, they sent the link to Daphne. Daphne opened the link. Now they even have access to seeing footage of the house. They have like surveillance access. Now they can see everyone in the house, everywhere, even the nursery. You uhlatshe stressana yazi, the way he's got everyone stressed, trying to look for him, checking his phone, checking his car. Zoleka finally gets a call that Hlati's car is in Pimville. They rush over to Pimville, only to find that imoto was just dumped nje. Uhlathi akekho apho. Imoto was just dumped. Akuna Hlathi, akuna bavumile in the car. Like tempers are high. Uyanga is worried about his dad, saying well, they must pray for him so that he doesn't get arrested. uLikamva is fed up, saying what Tata is did is wrong. He needs to get arrested. Uthatha uthatha ikhosi yakhe. Uyanga is like, let's pray for him. uLikamva hayi masingamoshi ixesha likaThixo, let's not waste God's time. Into wrong nje. Funny enough, not even Thumeka is willing to pray with her. Even Thandeka no Thulani, they just sit there. Everyone is just defeated with the actions kaHlathi. Uyanga ended up praying alone, praying for safety uTatake nobavumile. And then uDabs ke uNtsiki continues to beg Hlathi to ukuthi aphindisele umntana. What he did is a mess. Like, what was he thinking? Ethi Mthetho, what were you thinking? Uthatha umntana kanje. What were you thinking? Did not even bother to stop at the shops to get nappies and milk. Like, what were you thinking? Pela, this is kidnapping. Do you understand the kind of mess you've gotten yourself into? Nakhona, how did you get inside my house? Hlathi says, don't you remember that you gave me a key? I don't want to be part of this. Lazarus and Zoleka are looking for you. Police are on to you. Unsike then bathes the baby because umntana umanzi nte. Obviously the baby is also hungry because Bavumile has been crying since. Unsike tries to tell him to return umntana. Hlathi is like, nope, owam lo mntana lo. Uzoleka is depressed. Everyone is just stressed. Worried ukuthi umntana utshile yini. Umntana did he even get a nappy change? I'm sure he's crying for his parents. Aqasuka uLukhanyo ubhuti kaZoleka ethi yazini what uHlathi did now, he crossed the line. Ndiyafunga ndiyagomela kuba whenever we meet it will be war. There'll never be peace between us. Remember, Lukhanyo does not like Hlathi. So what he just did now, this just tops the cake. It's just a cherry on top. There's no way they're coming back from this. Unsike keeps telling Hlathi, you know I always make excuses for you. You know I always stand with you. I always side with you. But leyenze manje mthetho, and I'm Sannaika too. Uhlathi feels they should be blaming Zoleka. Umthakathi or deciding no Lazarus ukuthi they're gonna make him only see the kid ubavumile once in 3 months, and he must be monitored like some Valter while yena is engutata umntana. Athi uDabs yazini, I'm not on your side. Hlathi was insisting you need to be on my side. Athi yazini, I'm always on your side, but kule I'm not on your side. Ububhanqa I'm ngisesayidini lomthetho ne-common sense. Hlathi common sense yakhe is not working at all. Athi, and I'm not going to harbor a kidnapper man. Awuzohlala apha, angizohlala ne-kidnapper mna. We must take Bavumile back before it's too late. Hlathi athi nix, I'm not taking Bavumile back mna. And ndimhambisi nje ubavumile qha. Bavumile umntanami. I'm just protecting my son. Uprotect umntanakhe from what? Because ubavumile has a loving home and loving parents. You should have just negotiated, man. And then Zoleka finds Kawe in a state of showing that she's not well. Remember, Kawe keeps on having those chest pains. Zoleka insists that he needs to get it checked up. And then Kawe tells her, Guti Mama, I know Guti utukile, but Utata will never hate to bavumile. And then they get interrupted because Zoleka is just like, they get interrupted. Ulukanya has thought of a theory or of an idea of where Uhlati might be. Because Imoti Sepimville and Untiki once said that time when Uhlati, Tumego were getting married, Guti and Uhlali Pimville. So meaning Uhlati went to Tsigi's place. Zolega calls Tumega, do you know the address? Tumega utsains of Tumeli address, and then they run, they all go there, Kwantiki. So they get Untiki was busy trying to plead with Umteto to give back Umtana. Umteto akangeni. Busy saying athi Untiki is insisting Umtana udinga ibele likanina. Uhlathi is like, I don't even think Zolega breastfeeds my son. Hey, Umtana right or Umtwana, he's busy making him a bottle. I don't even know if Umtana uphuza a bottle or pumped milk. I'm not even sure. But nango Uhlathi esemtshisa bottle. Untiki tries to negotiate with him, saying that I understand your pain, but you should have just confronted them right there and there and had that argument or conversation, whatever, instead of kidnapping umntana. Besakhuluma athi Uhlathi actually just wanted attention kaZoleka, and now he's got it. Besakhuluma na amapholisa. So he did all this for attention. Now besakhuluma amapholisa, they start knocking. uThulani ethi mfowethu Imina la, please open. We're all here. The family is here. Zolega no Lazarus, they're also here. Let umntana, man. Bring the baby. Uhlathi now is blaming Untiki, saying that you are the one who called the police on me. How could you do this to me? Ndenza kanjani kanje. Don't open the door. Untiki athi, hi, mina I don't want to be a co-accused la. Untiki opens the door and walks out. She walks out the door. Aphume ke Untiki, amaphoyisa athi, okay, phuma slowly. Now umthetho is out, exposed. Kering ubavumile. UZoleka noLazarus, they're standing there looking at him. He's busy shouting, umntanami lo, why ningabophi bona? This is my child. Why are you not arresting them? uZoleka noLazarus, because they're the one who wants to they're the ones who want to take away my baby. Umntanami lo, this is my baby. And then bamncenge, please akakhawuzise umntana. Then Zoleka tries speaking to him, trying to plead, negotiating with him to please bring my son Hlathi. She even said, please, umntanethu lo Hlathi, this is our son. Please bring him. Worried ukuthi angamlimazi or anything. uHlathi esemncane ebhiza emthakazela, esembiza ngojambas and all that. uHlathi wagcina wathamba ke and handed over the baby to uZoleka. The minute he handed over the baby, maphoyisa amaphezu kwakhe turned him over and arrested him, saying, hey, you're under arrest, manje mfo. Zolega, Lazarus jumped in to secure Zolega and Bavumile, and leading them to the car safely. Finally, umntana is safe in his parents' arms, and they're going to take him home. Bazomgada kakuhle. Nangu Uhlathi seboshiwe. Imagine now he's handcuffed. They're escorting him out of the house, out of the yard. Kansiki, his family is there. Olikamva, Kawe, Tumeka, Olukanya, they're just standing there like speechless. Uhlathi finally is arrested for ubhanqa bakhe. I don't even know what he was thinking, saying we did all this for attention. Attention that he wanted has gotten him here. I hope they make things very hard for him, Kuba. He does not even get time with the child anymore. Or le bhanqa bakhe be case vele nje isulwe, because now he's charged with kidnapping, and I'm pretty sure uLazarus is going to push this, but I suspect uZoleka will want to drop the charges because eqingela uQhawe kuba uzoba phatheka kakubi. Tumeka the whole time was just defeated, did not even say a word. uHlathi is still going on, making noise as they were taking him to the cells, going on about how they should be arresting Zoleka, not him, because they're the ones who stole his baby. But Jenjumtanake, Thulani and Ntiki were trying to talk to the police, but nothing worked. Uhlathi must sleep emaseleni. They get home again, Obavumile. Finally, Obavumile is home with his parents. And they're happy to have him back because that was such a stressful time for them as a family. So thanks Lazarus for supporting her. Lazarus is like, no, we're family, man, and this is what family does. And she also thanks Kawe for being a big sister. But Kawe is worried about her dad, asking Kuba what's going to happen to Tata Ngoku. Lazarus says, Gutiazin will deal with this tomorrow. But one thing I can assure you is that Utlati will not get away with what he did. So obviously, Utlati is going to make things very difficult for Utlati. Lazarus is going to make sure that he feels his wrath. And then they just standing there admiring their baby, Ubavumile, how perfect he is and that he is all theirs. And finally, they can just like enjoy the peace and quiet with Uhlati behind bars. Uhlati wakes up emaseleni, spend the night there, sleeping kumatras nje nengubo le umgadambongolo, and wakes up to a man who's using a toilet in the same room with other men sitting there. Now they're calling them to get food. Is this the life Forrest want? Kawa did not even get enough sleep. She's up trying to work on her presentation because she wants to impress Uonga, going on about, hey, if I want to be the next Zoleka Pikicha, I need to work hard. But Zoleka was like, no, man, don't overdo it, and you need to go get that pain checked up. Kawa promises her ukuthi uzoya, but wants to know ukuthi kuzoyenzakala nokutatake. Uzoleka was like, wait, I don't want to talk about Uklati Goku. And Otumega, her kids are just supporting her. Ligam was saying it's okay to cry. I mean, Minako is arrested, so it's okay, Mama. You are allowed to feel your feelings. And Uyanga is worried what's going to happen to him. Uzobuya, what's going to happen. Ligam was like, hi, Asaz, no one knows what's going to happen to him. I think being in prison, he's where he's supposed to be. He deserves it. Being in prison is actually going to knock some sense into his head because Utata. He was just all over the place. And then Utsege comes over in the morning in a Tulan and a Tandega. They came to fetch Tumega saying they want to go see Hlati station and try and negotiate ipeli yakhe. Tumega's like, Andi up, I'm not going there. But kanjani ke ngoba imali zakamthethe ima-millions akamabandla abanje uwe kuthiwa uwe obambe ikhadi. Like what? Ama-millions akamabandla, what does she mean? Is she referring to the millions that Zoleka gave Hlati with divorce settlement? She insisted that Tumega goes with them, but Tumega refused, reminding her that she's a wife. Tumega still refused. She gets there, tells Uhlati that Tumega refused to come and see you. Utula is like, I don't blame God because everything that is forgiven, we don't like it at all. And you need to face the music now. This is a lot. And we hate that you also put us into this mess. Hlati is still not breaking down. Even Emma Selin is still arrogant, saying Kuba Yena has a right as Ubavumile's father. Yes, what he did was wrong, but Njaga regretted Luto. He's got rights, Umtana Ubavumile, and he's not going to give up. He's going to continue fighting. Uzolega and Lazarus, they are bribing officials. They want to keep him there, but Yananja is not giving up. He's forgetting what is the one who's busy bribe. Uzolega and Lazarus, they don't move like that. So he's hell-bent with Yananga give up. Ati ukhulula wakhe fine ube strong for because nje uzimisele ngento yakho. And then Lazarus comes back from golf, saying she just wants to spend time nobavumile. Uzoleka says we need to talk about Uhlati. How are we going to handle this whole thing? Lazarus like, not today. Let's let Asmiyeke Uhlati amarinate lapha. Let him stew in that hotel cell. Sizobe simbone. Uzoleka wanted to interject, but Lazarus was like, no, my love, Asmiyeke. Let him stew in there. And then she lies saying that she wants to go see Tumega and see if Tumega is okay. And she's lying. She wants to go and see Hlati. So Lega goes to the cells because Ubanu Hlati did not even sit where visitors sit. Went straight inside the cells and has a connection in Johnny. Went in there. Hlati was annoyed, saying, Kuba, yazimali yathetha. Bona, look at you inside cells, Zoleka. Uzoleka, you need to let this go because you win a land and you're hating people that love you. Utumeka. This is not just affecting you, Hlati. Let this go. And with evidence that is now, besides the kidnapping, we already have enough to put you behind bars. So you need to let this go, or else other people are going to pay for your sins. uHlathi takes this thing lightly. Ngathi nje azuzoleka is evil unenhliziyo embi. I hope he listens and drop this whole thing but by the look of things, ngeke nje ayeke uLazarus akhulisa umntanakhe. Lazarus has a cute, intimate moment noBavumile. Kanti uLilian is watching from the CCTV footage that they did, Sydney. Lazarus is busy talking to Bavumile, telling him ukuthi uzomkhusela, and that Bavumile means the world to him. He will go to the ends of the world to protect him, and says that before his life was about money and power, but now, since Bavumile arrived, like everything has changed. Now it's all about family. Yena noZoleka, they changed his life. Ayakangisaqala kusukanga uLilian hearing all these words from Lazarus and realize that he's a changed man now. uQhawe is fixed on trying to impress uOnga, gets to work very early and says ubephupha ngo-Onga telling uZethu. And listening to what uZethu has been saying about her shooting a shot, he also heard uOnga saying that he misjudged uQhawe in the beginning and is quite impressed because uyambona ukuthi uzimisele. The next time uQhawe shows up with lunch, wanting to eat Onga. Onga's like, I have another meeting. The next thing uQhawe suggests, eat dinner, a palette. Even touching his chest, Onga is like shocked with how personal space. The next thing, dinner, which she wants to pitch, and then they must go and have dinner, so as a pitcher. Onga is like, how? Eat data. Asking her on a date, why not kill two birds with one stone? Onga, you know very well, but if you and I go on a date, it will be unprofessional, right? So Onga definitely let her down. Tend to head down, offer her down, because that was so unprofessional. Imagine uOnga is a CEO now dating Inganega CEO. Now that doesn't look good at all. uHlathi is busy being arrogant as he is while in prison, going on about like Arasalama officials going on about how they're in Zolega's pockets. uZolega Batala. She's bribing them to keep him in there, and he's got rights, and she wants to go in front of the judge. Go in front of the judge doesn't always guarantee bail. So when I just need to get comfortable here, because you're still going to be here for a long time. She demands to go to. She wants a phone. He demands that he wants a phone call so he can talk to his wife and his lawyer. And then Lazarus tells Zolega, so what? How did you even go to see Thumeka yesterday? Because I know that you went to see uHlathi. So I was wondering, how did you find out? Are you spying on me? The guy just told me because they assumed that I already knew. And then he says, Uzolega was like, no, I knew which would stop me from going to see him alone. I wanted to get to him. Lazarus, so did it work? No. But so you lied for nothing. Now you spied for nothing. Lazarus says, let's just give Hlathi what he wants. Let's just get him a day in court. So the official comes to tell Hlathi, your bail hearing is today. I want my time. I want to see the magistrate so that I can expose them, expose ukuthi they're bribing everyone, and expose them for everything that they're doing, and all those things. As he keeps on going on and on. As uHlathi, even in prison, even in cells, uHlathi cannot be humble. He phones to Thumeka, telling Thumeka that he misses her, and that they can't keep a good man down. They can't keep him down. Bail hearing, he must bring his card so they can pay. Thumeka is not even interested. He's just listening. Tsiki arrives no Sandeka no Tulani, forcing Thumeka to go with them to the bail hearing. Thumeka is like, no, I'm not going there. And Mina. Hey, wamngena uNtsiki athi don't forget what you were crying to be a Mabandla wife now that you tholile or some sake umthetho. Yes, I know a person who's not loyal mina mangimbona, because when manje uHlathi is in prison, manje soyamjikela. We all don't like what he did, but doesn't mean that we mustn't stand with him in these difficult times. So when nje Thumeka was so bored saying ukuthi wena, how do you know about being a wife, because awukwazi ube umfazi. Hi, that's the same song uZolega used to sing. Zolega used to tell me the same thing. But Joagen go whether you like it or not, a court is where you are going. Hlathi meets with his lawyer. It's a cool man, a lawyer, planning how he's gonna stick to his story, blah blah blah. And then Lazarus and Zolega walks in, demanding that the lawyer goes out so they can talk to Hlathi. Hlathi tried to get the lawyer to sit, but hey, Puma, we won't be long. Then they start telling Hlathi what's at stake. They tell him go to the magistrate that he's going to go in front of is actually one of the people that he bribed together with Mungezi Shezi. And they say that imagine when this man finds out that when you're digging to a past that he helped you to access to Kawekazi, and then this guy is trying to get a judgeship, wants to be a judge. So if these things come up, they're going to ruin his career. So imagine what is going to happen to you when he finds out that when you're stopping him from progressing. And you won't just you will not just deny your bail. There'll be more consequences just to make sure he does not get exposed. Lazarus even said that imagine Tumega, because this whole thing can also affect Tumega. Tumega, they'll also look into Tumega. They might also arrest him. How will you do that to your own sister when Zoleka? Lazarus said yes. Tumega is not even innocent. She stole Zolega's life for 20 years, and Uhlati. At first, she thought it was bad. You guys are just trying to intimidate me. But we're doing more than bluffing. We mean business. If you continue with this thing, you won't see a day in court. Like, it can end very badly for you. Imagine your kids, if both of you and Tumega are in prison. Imagine Uyanga, Lazarus went on. And imagine Ukamva, knowing that you are the one who put his mom behind bars. So obviously, your kids will not like you at all. So you need to do the right thing. Back off and let us raise over Vumile as ours without you in the picture. Ulhat is like, so I'm visitation rights. Jonga apa mteto. That ship sailed a long time ago. You don't get to make demands anymore, Hlati. You lost those rights to visitation rights when you stole my baby, put his life in danger. You have no say about Vumile and Goku. Just back off. Let us raise about Vumile as our own. Singers, like without any disturbance from you. I wonder if Uhlatu Zovuma will Hlati take this over, is going to continue fighting, saying Dilulumtana Kamabandla. Yes, Hlati. And then Ukawege wakes up in the morning, can't even go to work because she's embarrassed about her asking Onga out and Onga saying it's going to be unprofessional. Lies saying that she's got a stomach bug. Uzolega was worried because maybe it's the chest pains. And hi, Ugel is lying. Demands that she goes to a doctor so she can give HR a sick note. Onga is at work. There's some opportunity that he wants to put forth Luandle instead of Umawetu. And then Umawetu can see this thing is personal, yes. Onga, because how is Luandle better than Mawitu? Mawitu is like the genius. It could say that Luandle is a junior staff, but it's like, no, it's not even about how long you've been here. It's about the work. It must speak for itself. Then he asked, how is Miss Mabandla? Because I'm in Bonanga today, but she didn't come. She's sick. And then he asked Lazarus about it. What's happening with her head? She's sick. Lazarus was like, hi, I'm not even aware of that. And then she says, he has to go to court because you're Bonutlat. Now, Uanga brings up the issue to Uqawe asked him out on a date, but he politely turned her down. She's a good kid, but it's going to be unprofessional. Lazarus like, so what if you were taking aside Umsebenzi? Were you going to consider it? What was your answer going to be? To Onga. Now Onga starts thinking about it. And then Lazarus gives him ideas. Pela HR, you just need to declare that you're in a relationship. And then after that, you need to make sure it does not interfere with business. Now you can see Onga is actually pondering on this idea. And then Kawe comes back from the doctor. She's with Zaitu in the house. They start talking about the whole Onga thing, how embarrassed she feels, asking Onga out. And Zaitu's like, don't worry, we still have Umawetu. I don't want anything to do with Umawetu. Imagine telling my kids that their father and their grandmother were once intimate. Hi, Ngek. And then Zaitu's like, do you think Lazarus knows that Uzolega and Umawetu used to be together? Kawe is like, no, I don't think Lazarus knows that. I don't think Lazarus knows that Uzolega and Mawetu were sleeping together. They say this information while Ulilen is listening to this footage. She's even smiling now. Obviously, she's going to use this against Zolega. She's probably going to leak it to the papers. They're going to publish it. The embarrassment goes Zolega because everyone's going to find out, and Lazarus is going to be shattered. I can even imagine Sydney. He's going to be so happy. He walks in. He's back from prison, and he's happy. Everyone is happy. Well, Unsigi no Tulani, no Younger, but Tumega and Ligamva are not happy. Unsigi is even saying that, why are you acting like this? Acting like Kufi where there's a funeral while Umtata is back home from prison. You're supposed to be happy. Tumega was not entertaining anything at all. Unsigi even insisted that Tumega cooks a hearty meal for Uhlati, but Tumega was not bulging. She just sat there. Kusulumlomo was like, even said, let me go and cook younger girl ke wasiza uDabs. Now, uZoleka and Lazarus are celebrating their victory of getting Ubavumile back and getting to raise him without Uhlati in the picture, because they got Uhlati to sign over Ubavumile for his freedom, so they can drop everything and not expose him for all the bribing and dealings he did for making sure that Zoleka does not get access to Kawe. So he agreed to that because he took the deal because he knew, he saw that this thing is not going to end well for him. So uZoleka noLazarus are happy. Lazarus is happy that Ubavumile remains in Ngungana Home Affairs, and he's just so happy that they've got their little family back and they can raise Ubavumile without Uhlati busy annoying them all the time. Lazarus is now even saying that I wonder why you don't want to be Mrs. Ngungana. Meaning Lazarus still hopes that uZoleka would agree to marry him. Abe Mrs. Ngungana, but uZoleka akangeni lapho ezomshado. She specifically said that she doesn't want that anymore. Lazarus says that she wants them to go on vacation. Mhlambe him, Zoleka and Kawe and Bavumile, like go on a family vacation, man, and unwind. It's been they've been through a lot, so it would be nice to just get out. And then uThumeka ke uHlathi is going on about how he said he is because he's lost his son. Telling to, because Thumeka was busy preparing to go for an interview. I'd say, Uhlati, don't worry about me, I won't lose my job, I won't have a criminal record. But Zoleka and Lazarus made sure that I do not end up with a criminal record. After they forced me to sign over Ubavumile to them, and so I cannot get close to him, I don't have access to him anymore. And so he's going on about how much, how hurt he is. Thumeka is not even paying attention to him, as that's how Thumeka. I'm putting out my heart to you when enjoying Gendabam. That's what you expect me to say. Ngithini Hlati, feel bad for you, have sympathy for you. After when uthatha umntana kanjalo, like ripped him off his family, drive off with him recklessly, what do you think was going to happen, eh? But those kanjani. Do you think you're going to storm out with umntanakho? Do you think that you can end up walking away with the mtwana without any consequences? Uhlati was hurt that Thumeka is not siding with him or is not sympathizing with him, and he said that Thumeka is heartless because Thumeka mene she's a hypocrite. Pela, this thing of him dropping charges, the custody case was not just for him, it was also for Thumeka, because after uZoleka and Lazarus were done with him, they were also going to come for Thumeka. Thumeka Hlati, we wouldn't be having this conversation if when you had just let uZoleka and Lazarus raise their child. But now when I had to interfere because Hlati when putting our lives at risk, angering people that, like powerful people that can even kill us. Selfish, I'm not going to sympathize for you. That is going on, but please open those man for Muntu if you want to sit here and have a pity party, don't involve me. I will not be bullied by you, Hlati, and be manipulated by you. I was so impressed by Thumeka going on, actually standing up for herself and telling Hlati where to get off, because this man thinks he's all that while abanye abantu uyabahlukumeza. I was so happy to have Thumeka stand up for herself and leave Uhlati like this, because I mean, what is that? What did you think was going to happen, Kanene? He was going to do all these tactics and end up Ubavumile? They was never going to let him do that. He must just take a back seat and let them raise Ubavumile. Akhulise umndeni wakhe naye uyanga nolikamva and focus on his own family nomshado wakhe noThumeka. And then Lillian shows uSydney the video of Uqhawe and Zethu talking about uZoleka being intimate with Umawethu. Sydney was so happy at Umawethu noZoleka. I never saw this coming. I could have never saw this coming. And Lillian wants to now take this forward. Lazarus does not know about this thing, so she wants to expose it. But I was thinking, because it's huge, it's big, it's a big scandal enough to let Zoleka down and affect Kutsela. But Sydney like, no, we need something big, man. This is not good enough. And then she asked uZoleka noLazarus, uZoleka uhlalaphi? Amtshele Sydney, and then she goes over to Zoleka's house, finds Lazarus I1 endlini, because Zoleka had gone to the office. Lazarus is shocked with her. How do you know where we live? Ufunani la? athi I'm here to say goodbye to Zoleka because ngiyahamba, I'm going back to Cape Town. Athi uzoleka kusofisini, you'll find out the office. And then you start saying, yo, being a father has changed you. You can just see how relaxed you are, even on your face. You are you're happy. And then Lazarus, that's fine. I'll khawuhambe man, leave. And then because Mtwana started crying on the monitor. Lazarus goes to check on Ubavumile and she must leave. But Lilian didn't leave. Comes over now, starts talking, saying Mtwana. And then she's met to Ubavumile. Look at him, so beautiful and so tiny. How could Zoleka walk away from this so early after the ordeal? And then now she starts mentioning I heard Uthi kidnapped Mtwana. Lazarus shocked with how news travel fast. It doesn't even make sense what you told up in that. And then she says, how could Zoleka go back to work after the ordeal? Like, if it was me, I'd want to be home all the time, just looking at this beautiful face. And then she starts asking Lazarus, how? Are you happy, no Zoleka? Are you happy, no Zoleka, or you're just settling? I was like, Lazarus went on about how happy he is, and that is it's the happiest he's ever been. And then and she still wants a family, and even if it's not with Lazarus, but then Utando Ubenalo for Lazarus was like she really loved hard, and she doesn't think she'll ever find love like that again. And then Lazarus, remember how we talked for hours, and that made me feel alive. Ntoni athi bemthanda Lazarus. The next thing uyamsondelela and starts kissing Lazarus. The sad part is that Lazarus responded. It's a different story if someone kisses you and you push them back without responding. But Lazarus kissed her back. Lazarus has just cheated on our Zoe. What? With Lilian Nohal. All this time I thought, why would Lilian keep getting under his skin? And even Zara at some point was asking, do you still love her? Now I'm conflicted. What is happening? Why is Laz kissing Lilian back? I mean, that was so odd for me. Well, she pushed him. He pushed her back, and told her it was a mistake. Lilian's like, no, it was not a mistake. You kissed me back. I'm up, and then she goes on about now you're the man that I've always wanted. This has nothing to do with you. This has everything to do with Zoleka. I'm this woman because I'm the woman Zoleka wants me to be. And I'm happy. Please leave, man. At least Mina knows Zoleka, it's real. I don't have to pretend to love her. There are no secrets between us. And Mina, now we never had that. So please, Lilian, I'll man. This was a mistake. Well, Lilian was hurt. You could tell that Lilian was hurt. She was so hurt. Imagine someone telling you that Zoleka is 1,000 times the woman that you'll ever be. Lilian was hurt. Seeing Lazarus is really in love with Zoleka. My plans work, did not work. She's probably going to expose the whole thing no my way to now because Lazarus has turned her down. And then Onga apologizes to Kawe, asking Kawe, are you okay? Apologizes for the other day when Kawe Mshela and says, Kuba, you and I can never happen because we are colleagues, I'm your boss. So I don't want things to work hard between us. And then they shake on it saying, right, okay, now we've leveled it up. But it's funny because they'd already spoken about Kawe already apologized, I don't know what got over me. But Onga is still bringing it up. I think Onga now is starting to have ideas. I think they will end up dating one way or the other. Especially if Onga is going to find out about this whole thing because Ukawa was dating my way too, and now he's probably going to do it to get back at my way to make sure my way too feels now sumthathele intombi yakhe first a job now intombi yakhe. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.